to another video, my pita chips. I'm so happy to see you once again. Today we're outside of the thrift store. The first stop is Goodwill. The reason I came to the thrift store today is because I don't know about you, but I love the way Kylie dresses. But honestly, homegirl over here is on a budget. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go to the thrift store and I'm going to show my pita chips to dress like Kylie on a budget. So we're gonna do that for today. But before we go into Goodwill, I did want to mention to you guys that this company reached out to me and they sent me this palette right here. Pretty cool. I'm actually testing it on my eyes, but there's some things that I like about the palette, other things that I don't like. So at the end, I'm gonna give you guys like swatches and my honest opinion of what I think. Also, yesterday I uploaded a video with Jason, my boyfriend. He pretty much gave me a makeover. It was pretty funny and it was super fun filming the video with him. A lot of you guys were telling me that you guys didn't receive the notification when I uploaded the video. So I want you guys to take a quick second, scroll down and click that little bell so it notifies you every single time I upload a video. I'll wait for you. I got you. I'll wait. Got it? Okay. So now you guys will be notified every single time I upload a video. And if you missed yesterday's video, don't forget to go check it out because it was pretty funny. Okay. Enough rambling. Let's go inside of Goodwill and get this mission started. Okay, so let's go into Goodwill and see what we can find in here. Oh, I thought the door was not gonna open. Okay, we might need a car for this one, so I'm gonna get a car. For the first outfit, I need like a t-shirt like this, like a graphic t-shirt. So I'm gonna go try to find this one. So I'm starting in the medium section and then working myself towards the large because the t-shirt does seem like a little bit oversized and it also seems like a little like discoloration. So I thought the thrift store was a perfect place to find it. So we're just kind of like gonna look through everything and hopefully we find one that's similar because I don't think we're gonna find the exact same one. So this is a shirt that she's wearing, right? And then these are the two that I found. Okay, now these kind of look like the style that she has. I think she'll kind of like wear these. This one seems like a little bit more distressed. Obviously, not everything's going to be identical, but somewhat similar. So far I have these two. So I think I'm going to put these two in the cart for now because these are the ones that are working. So we're gonna try to see if we can find more. Okay, I have both of the shirts and I think that's the closest I'm gonna get because like I can't find any other ones. So now the mission is to find some shorts and the shorts look like pretty basic, so I don't think that's gonna be that hard. So we're just gonna browse real quickly to see if we can find some. Okay, so I think the first outfit is like good to go because the shorts, like you can't even see them, they just look a little distressed. So I think the first outfit we have already, which is kind of surprising. I didn't think I was gonna find it that fast. This is outfit numero dos. She's wearing just like all denim with like a white shirt and white tennis shoes. I think the easiest part is going to be the shirt. The rest is going to be pretty hard. And then we also need to find like the little backpack. So I'm at the jeans section. So we're going to get started. We need to find high-waisted denim jeans. Okay, so far I have two of these jeans. Her jeans are kind of like boot cut, which is why I got them like this because they do have a lot of skinny high-waisted but not boot cut. So far I have these two. But I'm still going to keep looking because I want, oops. So I'm still gonna keep looking because I really want to try my hardest to make like the outfits look super similar. So I'm gonna keep looking. If I find anything, I'll show you guys. Dang it, these would have been perfect. But they were not gonna fit me. Oh my god. And they're only $8. Dang it. What size are these? 6. Yeah, I know size. The biggest I go is 4. So dang it, no. Okay, we're gonna keep looking. Hopefully we have some more luck over here. Okay, I found these Gap ones, which these look kind of similar too, so that's gonna go in this stack as well. This is a denim jacket I found. It's not like a dark blue color, but this will do. Now we have to find the shoes and the shirt. Okay, so I found some shoes that are kind of similar to the ones she has in her pictures, and these are only $8. So I'm gonna try these on to see what they look like with the outfit. Okay, so I found the plain white shirt, which that was pretty easy. I didn't think I was gonna find it that fast. Okay, now the next outfit is this one. That's the next outfit we need to find, so that might be a little hard, but we're gonna go for it. Okay, so I found these. They're not the same color as her picture, but this is the closest I think I'm gonna get because I looked everywhere and I can't find it. And then she also has a bandeau and she has the striped long sleeve shirt, so we're gonna go see if we can find that. Okay, for this shirt, she's wearing like a men long sleeve, but I'm way too short for that, so it's either gonna be this one or that one. Oh no, that's way too big for me. So I think this one will do because it kind of has like stripes. Okay, now we have to find a bandeau. Jackpot. It's not white, but this will do. I'm so happy. I didn't think I was gonna find it. Okay, I came to the sports bra section and I found this white one, which I think it's going to work even better. So okay, I think it's time to go try on all this stuff now. Okay, here we go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits that I'm gonna try on. So here we go. Okay, this is the outfit. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is the shirt that she has on. She has like a bandeau, but I couldn't find one, so I put a sports bra. And then these, I think they're pretty similar. It's just like a different color. And then the white tennis shoes, which she wears like literally in almost every outfit. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna put the total of the outfit right here. And I think we did pretty good for the first one. Not everything is like identically, but it's similar. So I think we did pretty good. I kind of like it. So this is definitely something that she would wear, as you guys saw in her picture. So I think we did pretty good. Oh snap, I think we did so good for this one. I mean, it's kind of like a basic outfit with the denim jacket, the white shirt tucked in, the jeans, kind of like boot cut, and then the white tennis shoes. I really like it. Obviously it's like super affordable compared to her clothing, but what do you guys think? Did we do a good job for this one? I think we did, right? I think we did good. Okay, this is another outfit that she is wearing in one of the pictures. She's in a car, but tell her I can't be in a car. So it's just a simple white shirt with these pants. The pants are literally identical, and then again the little white shoes. So I think we did pretty good. This is definitely like identical to the one she has in the picture. And this is the last outfit. I was gonna try it out with this one, but the shirt that she has in the picture, it looks a little bit more like this one, like more washed out. So I went with this one. The shorts, you can't even like tell. She just has them like a little bit distressed from down here. And then she's basically posing a little something like this in the picture with like her hair all in one side. So this is the last outfit. I think we did pretty damn good if you ask me. So I think we're done here. Okay, so I have 4 outfits and super affordable, and I really like them. So let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, now that we have all the outfits, actually I put my hair up because I was like starting to get hot in there. I've tried like all those outfits on. So we found all the outfits. Hope you guys liked it. I think we did pretty good. They were not like identical, but they were similar. So now I don't know if we're gonna go to another thrift store. I really doubt it because I think I have enough outfits. And now I think that's it. We're gonna go home. Okay, we are out of Goodwill. We are now back in my car. Okay, we are now back in my car. We left Goodwill. I really hope... Oh my goodness, I had swatches and they like transferred to the side of my arm. Dang, they're good. We are out of Goodwill. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time. I just didn't know if you guys were really gonna like it, because I'm afraid that if I upload something other than like steals and deals, you guys won't like it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Let me know. So I decided to do this video because I want to show you guys that I'm all about letting you guys know that you don't need to spend a lot of money to look good. You can look good on a budget. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I want to do a video where I dress like Kylie, literally from head to toe, like the same hairstyle, get my nails done just like her, buy jewelry similar to her, and then wear that whole outfit for a whole day. We can basically just add up everything she wears and then compare it to how much I spent. I think that would be pretty cool. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so I told you guys I was going to talk to you guys about the palette that was sent to me. I have it on my eyes right now. I've been working with this palette for 2 days now, just because I really wanted to get to like know the palette, see how it blends and everything. I want you guys to keep in mind that when I recommend a product, it's because I personally like it. This palette was sent to me by Hip Dot, and this is their Boss palette. Now the concept of this palette is pretty cool, because this palette represents that a boss is a woman, and it is beautiful to be a woman and a boss, which I totally agree. So I love the concept of the palette, and basically this palette is $24 and it looks like this. That's what the palette looks like. Now I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's Makeup by Peta for 20% off. You don't have to buy this palette. They have many other things on their website. I was checking out their website and it looks pretty cool, and I liked a lot of the makeup that they had. The swatches are really, really beautiful, especially the shimmery colors are stunning. I cannot get over how beautiful they are, how buttery they glide. Now the matte shades, girl, those are like not too good. The matte shades don't really layer very well together. They don't really blend very well-y. They're not so pigmented as the shimmery ones. Like the shimmery ones, I would totally buy this palette just for the shimmery ones because they're amazing. Now I did swatch the first 2 rows. I didn't have space for the last one, but look, I'm gonna swatch on my fingers really quickly, like the shimmery ones, just so you guys can see, and they are stunning. Look at that. They're so beautiful. Like, I cannot get over how pretty the shimmery ones are. Like I said, the matte ones, I'm not a big fan of them, if I'm being honest. The palette doesn't feel bad for $24. I really appreciate that it comes with a mirror. That's what I really appreciate, that it comes with a big mirror. So when you travel, it already comes with a mirror. So if you guys are interested, like I said, I'm gonna leave the website link down below. You don't have to buy the palette, they have other things, or you don't have to buy the palette. I'm just letting you guys know in case you guys probably want a palette like this one or something. And I do have a coupon code. I said 20% off, right? Make it by Peter. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.